बेहतर से बेहतर की तलाश कर, मिल जाए नदी तो समंदर की तलाश कर, टूट जाता है शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाता है शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाए पत्थर वो शीशा की तलाश कर। हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू? Yeah, I am also good, and thanks for asking for me. So today I have got a very golden opportunity to stand before you, and I am going to share with you one story, and that story is very motivational, and that story is based on pani chola kulcha. So how many of you are aware about chola kulcha? Do you know? Yeah. Okay, so I am going to tell you one story which is based on chola kulcha. So once upon a time, like there was a shop, and in that shop, like they were selling chola kulcha, and near to the shop there was a shop of one tailor. Tailor means दर्जी. एक दर्जी का दुकान था बगल में, और एक मतलब पुअर आदमी था. So that poor man used to come to chola kulcha shop every day, and he was praying to the God that God, please send crowd in that chola kulcha, and when you will send crowd, then I will also become a part of that crowd, and I will eat the food, and I will not pay money. So every day he was doing the same thing, and for like 7 to 8 days he came and he prayed to the God, and every time the crowd came and he became the part of the crowd, and he went there and he took the chola kulcha, and he had not paid any money. Then after that, and the tailor was observing that poor man from 7 to 8 days. After that, when he thought that like I am seeing that poor man from 7 to 8 days, and he was not paying any money. Then he said to like owner of the chola kulcha that like there is one poor man who comes to your shop, and that person is not paying any money to you. And so he said, and after that, then owner of the chola kulcha, they said that no matter, means कल जब वो आएगा मतलब पुअर आदमी, तो हम उसको पकड़ लेंगे, ऐसा मतलब बोला. फिर कल का इंतजार करने लगा वो लोग. Then next morning when he came, and after that the tailor gives signal that poor man, he used to come to your shop, and he took the food, and they are not paying any money. Then he said that when I will caught that poor man with red hand, means रंगे हाथ पकड़ेंगे जब वो खाएगा तो. After that he again prayed to the God, and he was praying that God, please send crowd, and when you will send crowd, then I will also become the part of the crowd, and I will take the food. And the same happened when the crowd came, then he became the part, and he took the chola kulcha. And after like taking chola kulcha, when he started going away into your home, then the tailor went, and tailor like caught their collar and said that this is the poor man, and he has not paid you money. Then owner of the chola kulcha, they said that thank you, means, and leave the man, means leave that poor man, don't arrest him. Then he left, and he said that means from the 7 to 8 days he is coming to your shop, and he is not paying any money, and he is taking your chola kulcha. Then why you have left? Then he said that means the crowd in my shop comes because he prayed to the God. So if he is praying, and due to the praying means crowd are coming to my shop, then why I should stop him for taking a small part of chola kulcha? And this thing happens in everyone's life, means also it happens in our life sometimes. Like we are seeing that in the means गांव में जब कोई बाहर से आ गया, कोई एक मूली ले गया, तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसका गला पकड़ते हैं सीधा. मतलब मान लो कोई वो उसके लिए प्रे किया हुआ कि मतलब इसके खेत में ये मूली उगे, मटर उगे, तो हम जाकर थोड़ा लेंगे, तो मतलब उसके प्रे करने से पहले उगा, फिर वो थोड़ा पाट ले रहा है. तो ऐसे में मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज दैट वी हैव टू नॉट होल्ड देयर कॉलर, वी हैव टू like just give some part of them. And sometimes like even when some poor comes to, and they demand money, and they are demanding money because we have money, मतलब हम लोग के पास मनी है, तभी वो कोई भिखारी वो हम लोग से रुपया मांग रहा है. तो ऐसे में मतलब दे दीजिए 2-4 पैसे, इतना कोई गरीब भी नहीं होता मतलब, और उसमें कोई ज्यादा मतलब खाना वाना भी जरूरी था वो लोग को. तो ऐसे में जब भी कोई मदद के लिए मिले, तो आप उसे आराम से मदद करिए, मतलब स्मॉल पार्ट आपको देना, फिर वो आपके लिए मतलब भगवान से भी दुआ करते हैं कि इन्हें और भी अमीर बनाइए, इन्हें और भी मतलब आगे बढ़ाइए. So that was the part of my story. So thank you, and thank you for listening me very carefully.